Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, a clinical audiologist and part of the ownership team here with Advanced Hearing Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is earwax removal vlog number 47. Today we're going to look at a really narrow ear canal. The patient keeps reporting that their ear seems to randomly close up. As you can see, we can see the eardrum, but along that ear canal wall there's quite a bit of wax packed there. My assumption is, as the body heats up and that wax starts moving and becoming more viscous and just changing in texture, it's closing off the ear canal, causing that feeling of fullness. So we're going to use the curette to get in there and remove the earwax, cleaning the ear canal wall and preventing that patient from feeling full. Today's Did You Know is going to be about otitis media. Infections in the middle ear can definitely cause some pain, discomfort, and irritation, especially in adults. It's amazing how children just kind of keep rolling right through these ear infections. But if you get one as an adult, the pain and discomfort are almost debilitating. If you're feeling pressure and pain in your ear, go to see your primary care doctor and/or your hearing health care specialist. Let them evaluate what's going on, seeing if you have fluid in that closed middle ear space, helping you determine if this is an ear infection. Seeking the proper treatment can prevent damage to the eardrum. Now we're going to move on to the other side. This side's a little bit more impacted, but again, we still have those narrow ear canals. So we're going to use the curette to scrape the wax off the ear canal walls, giving us a good view of the eardrum. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know what we did well. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.